Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today what we are going to be going over is the new Wet n Wild Flight of Fancy. This is the summer collection box. This retails for $34.99 on their website. I'm not sure if you can get it anywhere else as of yet. You can now get the pieces broken down. I don't think you can get all the pieces, but you can get the pieces broken down. I've seen them at Walgreens. But when you buy the collection, you also even get like this little pin that says Wet n Wild on it with a hummingbird. So we are going to break into this box and we're going to use the products that are in it. I do have a little bit of face stuff on as of now because some of the stuff that I needed was not going to be in this box. However, let me open this bad boy up. So if you see here, you get 3 blushes, 4 lip glosses, 3 eyeshadow palettes, 2 eyeliners, a setting spray, and a lip scrub. So I'm going to break down the prices of all of these for you here today. We are going to, let's see here, what are we going to start out with? Oh, and by the way, I'm just looking at on their website. On their website, they show they actually have a nail polish collection as well that you can get that retails for $9.99. So let's see here. We're going to start out with the first thing. Now I'm not going to spray this on my face yet because I do have other powders and everything on there that are baking, so we will use this in a minute. But this is the Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. This retails for $4.99. Now this is one thing that did not come in the box, but you can get it. I've seen it at Walgreens. This is the Pro Brush Line Blush Brush for $7.99. And focus, and that's what that looks like. The next thing in the, and it looks like they have a couple of different ones. Mine was the watermelon, but it looks like they also have an orange scrub as well. But this is the Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. This retails for $3.99. And I am gonna go ahead and we're gonna use some of this real quick and see how well it works. Alright, definitely tastes like watermelon, which is not my favorite flavor in the world, but it is what it is. So, the next thing are the Color Iconic Bake Blushes. These retail for $4.99 and you do get 3 colors, and these are all 3 limited edition colors. The first one is Dare to Soar, then you have Hummingbird Hype, and Don't Flutter Yourself. Now these blushes are all very sparkly colored looking. Let's go ahead and we're going to swipe these on the hand so we can get an idea. Oh, these, yeah, these look more like highlights, like really intense highlights than they do blushes. Oi! Alright, so this bottom one here is the Don't Flutter Yourself. This one is the Hummingbird Hype. And then this one is the Dare to Soar. So they are all very intense colors. I think for... I'm not quite sure which one I'm going to wear just yet. I'm not even going to put those on. We're going to come back to those here in a moment. Well, yeah, we can go ahead. I'll go ahead and put those on. Brush that bake off my face. I think for the sake of the video, we're going to go with the dark one. Why not? So we're going to go with the Dare to Soar. And like I said, these are highly pigmented colors. So go in with a light hand. It's actually quite pretty. You got a pretty mouth. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Alright, in the comments below if you know where that phrase is from, what movie. I actually surprisingly really like this one. I was thinking it was going to be way darker than that, but as long as you go in, like I said, with a light hand, that turns out to be really nice. Alright, so let's see what we've got next in the... So the next thing is we have 4 of these. These are the Color Iconic lip glosses. These retailed for $3.99, and these are the 4 colors that came in the box. There's actually 5 colors, so there is one that you're missing that you would have to buy separately, and that is the Lovebird Affair, and it's actually the one that I would like to wear. It is a darker kind of, well, a bright red colored, but so that is the only one that did not come in the box. So if you want it, you will have to get that one separately. Let's go ahead and we are going to swipe these on the hand. They're not very opaque. Definitely lip glosses, which I'm not the hugest fan of lip glosses. I'm really trying. I'm trying to get into it. So let's see here. I just don't have a thing for having my hair stick to my lips. That's really the whole gist of it. Alright, so starting here with the darker color, that one is Shut the Pluck Up. That name is funny. The second one on the bottom, Pout of Paradise. Then you have Fly Girl and Featherous. Sorry, I couldn't read it. My was a little scratched off on the bottom. So those are what the colors look like. Definitely have some color to them, but you can still kind of see through them as well. So we will definitely look into that. Like I said, I will at least try them, see how they work, how I feel about them, that kind of thing. Alright, so we are interrupting the already scheduled program to bring to you. I did go out and purchase the red one because I just had to have it. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I really do like it. I also went ahead and went out and found the other eyeliner, which is in the color You Are My Wingman, and that is it here on the top there. They had the brush, but I did not get it for the simple fact that I have enough brushes. I know, I mean, who can really say they have enough brushes? But it was one that I already had several duplicates of, so other than it was just pretty, I didn't see a reason for me to buy it. So I did not get it. I just went ahead and I got the other lip color, so I can try that out, see how I liked it. I do really like the color. It feels very moisturizing on the lips, but I don't know, we'll have to see, because like I said, I'm not a fan of glosses, but I'm going to try it out and I'm going to see how it works. And then of course the eyeliner, which I don't know what I would use that eyeliner for, because it is a very peachy kind of color there. But we'll see. So just wanted to let you know that I did get those, what those look like on, that kind of thing. No, excuse me. But now we'll go back into the already recorded programming. Alright, enjoy. And then, what is the last thing we've got here? And this is going to be something else that we do not have the full collection of. These are the MegaLiner liquid eyeliners. You only get 2 in the box, but there's actually 3 colors. This one is called Glided Wings. and it looks like it is a gold. Yeah, it's definitely a gold. Then the other one that you get in the box is this one, which is in Winged and Wild, and this one is a kind of a very dark, I would say, forest green, which is really, really pretty. The one that you do not get is called You Are My Wingman, and it's kind of like a peachy color, but these are the two that you do get. That is the one that you do not, just so you're aware of that. So I know there's something else that I was missing. Which one did I miss? Oh yes, the last things in the box are these are the Color Iconic eyeshadow quads. These retail for $2.99. These are the 3 colors that you do get. Let me see. Hasta La Costa Baby is this one here. Flock Party, and then Stop Ruffling My Feathers. So those are the 3 colors that the 3 quads that we do get. I like the fact that they all 3 have a transition color, and then you got 3 colors, which you have a crease, brow bone, and eyelid. The only thing about the crease though that they give you is it's still kind of like a satin shiny color, which I normally do not put in my crease. But at least they did give a good matte transition color and a good highlighting brow color. So we are definitely going to try these out today. I would have to say the color that I'm going to go with is, I'm probably going to go pretty bold. And we're going to go with this one here. This is the Hasta La Costa Baby. I think that's the one I want to go with. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. I am going to use my same brush I used a minute ago for my, let's see here, my trusted crease brush. That blends out really, really well, which I mean, I've known that about the Wet n Wild colors. I have quite a few of them. Their eyeshadows are always so good. Alright, so now for the crease, we're going to be using this purple, which I said looks like it is a shimmer color, but we're gonna go with it. We'll just do this little bit of a halo look here. Alright. And now we're going to use this teal color for the eyelid. Alright, I'm going to use that brow color on the brow bone line there. It also has my inner corner highlight. Alright. Use some of that setting spray. Alright, and let's go ahead and we're going to use this lip color here, the Shut the Pluck Up because I like the name of it, and I think it goes well with the Casa one that we just used, the Hasta La Costa, baby. Now these feel very nice on the lips, but they are still very sheer, even though they pack a punch when it comes to color. So this is what I got so far. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the eyeliner on, and I say we're going to go with that green, because one, actually, I don't think either of these, maybe the gold, because you know this look is not going to come out all that great anyways with the colors I'm mixing, but that is okay. We're still going to go with it, so we're going to use the gold. Alright, and that is what it looks like with that gold on. So overall, I mean, really the eyeliners have never been my favorite, especially if it's the metallic. Now this green one though, I think this green one's going to work out really nicely with some of my other looks that I'll try with. And I will do some other videos using these products so that way I can get a little bit of a use out of all of them. But I thank you for watching. And if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can hit that notification bell so that way you'll be reminded the next time I upload. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you have the great rest of your day. Bye.